Is that me or the peeps just taste like crap? What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore. I make that content that's guaranteed to put your ass to sleep. I'm out here on Greenwood Lake Turnpike. Getting what I believe is probably going to be one of the last rides in for Season 2, aka 2025 of the Gears of Snore Show. Temps are above normal, so we're taking advantage of it. You know what they say, wind therapy is the best therapy. This is a nice ride if for some reason you've never been up here. You come down Skyline Drive towards Ringwood and then hook a right and boom, Greenwood Lake Turnpike. It'll run you all the way down to Warwick, New York. You got Pennings on your left, the shop right on your right. All in all, great day. Passing Jesse's cattle. Been inside, never met Jesse. That wing's gonna add 50 horsepower. Thought I'd see a lot more bikes out today. We've seen a bunch, but you know, I thought there'd be a lot more. Entering snow pants territory, friends. Yeah, this is another one of those nice rides all year round. A few more degrees, I'm about to kick these heated grips on. Massage time. It's so weird, man. West Milford's huge, and one second you're in Ringwood, then you're in West Milford, then you're back in Ringwood, then when you're at Lake Minnetonka trying to cleanse yourself. Not looking forward to winter. Well, last year, like I said, last year being this year, January and February of 2025 were friggin' freezing. I remember there was one point I was out in the garage, sitting on my white Sam Pearl lowrider ST, feet up on the floorboards, crushing a libation. Would you look at that, huh? And I was like, oh, this is killing me. It was cold. It snowed. It snowed not enough to get you out of work, but, you know, an inch or two. Just enough to get rock salt on the roads and keep you from riding your bike. It sucked. Here's a nice dirt road. I'd check it out if I had a proper skid plate, but I don't. Damn, that is low. I tell you, I am grateful when you get these warm days in November and December. I know, I think it was, I was still unemployed 2024. I want to say it was like Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. that or Thanksgiving. I'm leaning towards Christmas, but I bet you it's Thanksgiving. I was like, oh no, that's right, it was Thanksgiving, because it was like 52 degrees. I'm like going for a ride, went to Monksville, which is up this road the other way. December, we got our last ride in, it was high 40s, went to Marley's Gotham Grill in Hackettstown, New Jersey. If you get a chance, check out that video on my channel, man. Them wings are out of this world good. Yeah, look how low that is. Holy crap. That's a no good. Some dudes out, looks like adventure bikes. Oh, nice, Transalp 750. I'm watching a lot of videos on that bike too. I kind of think like that's your sweet spot. 750, light, you know. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. These dudes are out getting it. You know, you get enough horsepower. You can get on the highway, you can put some knobs on it, go off-road, get some soft bags so you don't break your legs. Well, yeah, if you're watching this video, it means I'm depressed right about now because I ain't on Big Sheila. If you'd be so kind to give my video the thumbs up or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it. And on that note, this is where I gotta say goodbye. Depending on when this drops, well, I'm fairly confident I know it's gonna drop, so videos are dropping 3 p.m.-ish on Fridays. I hope you'll come back next week and check out another video or two. Take care, guys.